Toby,
We'll get these out.
there's one from Aunt Andrea.
That's from
It's from.
Is that from Katie and
Tiger and Katie and
This is from Georgia.
Oh, keep going. What is it? What is it? Oh, yeah. Good girl.
Get it, Tobers. Get it.
Get it. Get it. What is it?
Oh.
That's some good work. That's some good work.
Oh. What do you got, Tobe?
Oh.
Oh, Aunt Elby's gonna love this video. Keep
Get
going.
it all the way out.
Get it.
Get past it.
Oh. Is it bumblebees?
Beehive.
Sharon, can you pull the green wrapping paper away?
Wait,
Get it.
Videotaped it with you in front of her. Oh, go see Andrea.
Oh, what do you got? What's in there?
Honey Badger doesn't care. He gets these.
What's that? Tobers.
Honey Badger don't give a shit. Get it.
What's that?
Those little bees come out, Toad.
What is
Oh, that's gonna be
Toby,
fun to play with.
Go look. What is it? What is? Look, it's a bee. It's a bee. Get it out. Get it. Oh, good job. I think we're a little slow in the pickup on this one.
She said, "This is a complicated toy. Some assembly required."
Put it back in.
I gotta take the bees out, and you gotta put them back in. How does this work?
There's another one. What about this one? There's a bee right here. Look. Get it. Get that one out. Good girl.
I'm lazy. I'll just take the one that's already out.
So cute.
That is a pretty cool gift. How many bees are in it? Oh, it's another one. It's a bee too. Oh, look, it's another bee. They're everywhere. Bzz, bzz. We're gonna put him back in.
Baxter has a squirrel and a log, like a tree stump, and he's got squirrels. But they had a turtle, and the 3 baby turtles came out of the shell.
that's for Baxter.
Oh, Baxter, there's another one over here for you.
Oh yeah, is it a bee? Oh, it's a bee. Shake it up. Shake it up. Good
Baxter,
job.
come here.
You wanna throw it? Should we throw it?
Oh,
Okay, you ready?